Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify with CJDropshipping. First, you'll need to install the CJDropshipping app directly from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, create your CJDropshipping account and log in through the app. This initial step is crucial for establishing the link between your two platforms. Authorize the connection to ensure seamless data flow. This process typically takes only a few minutes to complete. After connecting, you can begin sourcing products. Navigate the CJDropshipping app to find items you wish to sell. Add your chosen products to the import list, where you can easily review and modify details. Take time to refine descriptions, images, and set your desired profit margins. With everything set, you can then list these products directly onto your Shopify store with a simple click. One of the biggest advantages is automated order fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, it automatically syncs to your CJDropshipping account. You'll review and confirm these new orders within the CJDropshipping dashboard. From there, CJDropshipping takes over, handling all aspects of packaging and shipping directly to your customers. Tracking information is then automatically updated in your Shopify store. To effectively manage your dropshipping business, regularly monitor inventory levels and product availability within the CJDropshipping platform. Should any order issues arise, leverage CJDropshipping's dedicated customer service for support. Explore additional features, such as custom packaging, to enhance your brand. Continuously optimize your product offerings and store presentation to maximize sales and customer satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.